Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA. Make sure you stick to the end of the video for my opinion on this stock. So currently it's priced at $944 per share. Today up 7.26%. Past year up 349%. So you can see it dropped around end of February, and then end of March it started surging all the way to all-time highs. Past 5 years up 276%. Taking a look at the market cap, $176 billion. P ratio doesn't exist because it's not profitable or doesn't seem to be consistently profitable. And dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Taking a look at analyst ratings, it's highly divided. So it's 27% give it a buy, 42% give it a hold, and 30% give it a sell. Now for earnings, you can see that last quarter it beat the expected earnings per share. Now taking a look at why did Tesla stock surge today. It hit all-time highs, and that's because they had data from China suggesting that Tesla sales have recovered from impacts of the recent negativity. And you can see Tesla hit all-time highs or a closing price of $949 per share, partly in response to the EV sales data out of China for the month of May. So very positive news, and because of this optimism, it surged all-time highs. So according to the China Passenger Car Association, Tesla sold 11,095 of its made in Shanghai Model 3 electric sedans in China-based customers in May. So this is very positive news that they sold this volume of cars. The lowest model, the Model 3, and these were all made in Shanghai. So overall, Tesla vehicles sales in China increased by 205% from a slump in April, attributed to that news, impacts on consumers and businesses in China, including Tesla owned. So Tesla sold fewer than 4,000 vehicles in China in April. So definitely a drastic increase from April to May. So in 2019, Tesla received significant government support, and with that backing, it definitely helped Elon Musk's company. So the thing about running businesses in China is that you have to be very tied to the government and have a lot of backing with the government. So with the government backing Elon's company, Tesla, then there's a lot of positivity, optimism, and because of these positive numbers, that's why it surged today. Now taking a look at the key stats, you can see that financials, revenue has been drastically increasing year over year. And you can see quarter over quarter, it's fairly steady. But for annual, you can see that earnings, the blue bar, it's not profitable or consistently profitable. So that is not good. So even though they're selling more cars, more revenue, but profitability is not there. So looking at key stats, you can see that trailing PE doesn't exist. Forward PE, however, is 82. So good to see that they're trying to be profitable. You can see that the 52-week change, 316%. So it's very, very positive year over year growth relative to the S&P 500, which is only 10%. You can see that it's trading above the 200-day moving average, and that's just another technical indicator to look at when trading. You can see it for institutions, 57% held by institutions versus 20% held by insiders. And for dividends, like I mentioned, it's not paying any dividend yield. Now taking a look at the profit margin, it's negative 0.55%, operating margin 3.23%. So it's very low profit margin, or not any profit margin at the moment. Return on assets, trailing 12 months, 1.59%. Return on equity, negative 0.47%. For revenue, you can see it's $26 billion. Year over year revenue growth 31%, which is good to see. Net income is negative 136 million. That is not good. For cash, you can see 808 billion. It's good to have some cash on your balance sheet just to be able to sustain your business when times are bad. Total debt is 15 billion, which is very high debt. Their debt to equity is 142. So for every dollar equity they have $142 in debt. So it's very leveraged company. Operating cash flow is 2.6 billion, and levered free cash flow is 1.55 billion. So overall, even though the stock traded very positively today, you can see the financials are not that great, and it's more of a long-term growth story. So if you believe in the company long-term and that you believe that it'll be profitable in the long term, then buy this stock. But personally for me, I'm going to continue watching this stock. I might get a small position when there's a dip, but I don't plan on entering anytime soon. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Tesla stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.